Hey guys, what's going on? Going to take a quick look at Bitcoin Cash. Ticker for this is BCH, and I'm currently on the weekly time frame. As usual, a couple of things before I get started. First, if you're not subscribed and you want to be able to find this channel again in the future, and if you want to get notified when I release new videos, click subscribe, click the bell, click on all. If you don't do that and you click away, you may have a hard time finding the channel again, just because it's relatively new. There's only around 1,000 subscribers, and because of that, I'm not really prioritizing the search algorithm. Also, if you want an exchange to trade Bitcoin Cash on, or pretty much any of the other coins that I talk about on this channel, I put a link to 2 different exchanges in the pinned comment and the description. The first one is called BitGet. Really good exchange so far. I like it a lot, but in a few days they're going to start requiring KYC. If you're not bothered by that, give it a try. It's pretty good. If you don't want to submit any personal documents to a centralized exchange, I found an alternative. It's called BingX. I've been using it for about a week now. So far, I like it. And yeah, they will not require you to submit any of your personal information. Now, that's just the case right now. I don't know what they're planning in the future, or if when they get bigger, they're going to have to. But currently, no KYC on BingX. And they're also offering you guys a sign-up bonus. If you click the link below, yeah, you can just take a look at what they're offering for a sign-up. Okay, so back to Bitcoin Cash, and as you can see, this is actually quite a good-looking bullish chart. Okay, so we had this long-term correction that took the form of a falling wedge. We recently broke out of it. After we broke out of it, we got rejected from the top range of this consolidation area, right? So you see it was based on here, the top of these 2 candle bodies. We broke out, got rejected, came back down to test the lower range of the base, and then I'm not sure if there was some sort of fundamental news that broke or something, but yeah, we had this massive impulsive move to the upside, and right now we're just pulling back to retest. So we have these 2 levels of established support. This one eventually broke through. It didn't put up much of a fight, but you see these are weekly candles, right? So this was about a month of the price holding above this line, and that's pretty much where we're bouncing off right now. Now, I would not have been surprised if the price came lower, like one more drop down here, and retested this broken level of support, because that's typically what will happen when you break out of a strong level of resistance, which this horizontal line was. The price will more often than not come back down and retest it as a support level. But as you can see right now, this support line is held, and there's another reason for that. So there's confluence in this zone. So actually, I'm going to change the time frame, take it down to the daily, and from here I want to take a Fibonacci pool from the swing low to the swing high. So we'll run it from here all the way up, and you'll see where we got supported. Okay, so we have the 50% retracement level right here, and this level so far has held, and we broke above and retested this downsloping level of resistance. So yeah, if the price did end up coming down here, that would have been an excellent buying opportunity, because that represents the golden pocket of the Fibonacci retracement, and also, as I mentioned, it is where we broke out. So it was the top, the resistance in this consolidation range, and yeah, this is still yet to be retested. But yeah, this would have been an incredible buying opportunity within this golden pocket, and it would be the retest of here. But yeah, again, it looks like the 50% has held, and I no longer think we're going down here, just because we have broken out of the down sloping level of resistance. We have retested it, and we're making our move back up right now. Yeah, so actually, if I take a horizontal line here and I put it to the top of these candle bodies, we've broken above that. You see this was a resistance range right here, right here, right here. We're breaking out currently. Now this candle has not closed. This could end up being a wick. We don't know. The day has just started, so 8 o'clock Eastern time. Take a look at this daily candle. If it closes in its current state, that's quite good. Now also, you could make a case that this is the real resistance right here. So you see, when we broke above here, the price kind of went crazy, came back down to retest it as a support level. These are daily candles, so this is a couple weeks of trading action, but you see it was support all throughout here, and when we broke below it, this level served as resistance. So this is a level as well that's also relevant, and I think that's exactly where we are right now. So pay attention to the close on this daily candle. You can mark this level on your chart, and yeah, I would like to see this daily candle close above here. Because if that happens, we're really in a process of taking out these obstacles. Now, the main levels of resistance to the upside, now that we have this downsloping resistance line broken and a retest, I'm going to look for the previous high here. And actually, let's switch it back to the weekly time frame, and let's take a closer look. So we have this previous high up here, all the way at around $328. So that's a really good move from where we are right now. But ultimately, actually, beyond this, I would look for this right here to be the midterm target. And this level here, we have a lot of confluence. Okay, so you see how I have it drawn this horizontal line that represents this level of resistance right here. Also, this level of support, which is holding up the price for quite a while. But also, actually, I'm going to get rid of this Fibonacci, and I'm going to draw another one this time. I'm going to draw it from the swing high down to the swing low on the high time frame. So pull it from here all the way down, and what you'll see is this level that lines up perfectly with the price action here is the 50% retracement level. So ultimately, now that we're breaking out of this this kind of downtrend, we retested it on the way back up. This is my midterm target, the 50% retracement level, and that is currently $377. Of course, if you're going to target this range, I would recommend maybe front running it a little bit. You don't want to miss out on this target hitting. Don't get too greedy with it. So I would be looking to exit at probably around 358. I'll front run this just slightly, and then if we do get up here all the way and then we start forming some bearish candle formations, this will give a good setup for a short position, right? Where you can use this resistance level as a backstop for your stop loss, place your stop loss slightly above this wick right here, and maybe target back down to this peak right here, right? So maybe a short from 375 down to around 300. So that's going to be a nice potential setup if it plays out. But yeah, ultimately, this is very bullish price action, long-term retracement pattern that broke out, bullish pattern, falling wedge, breakout, impulsive move to the upside, down for the retest. I suppose this is still in play. If Bitcoin crashes, then this level is going to be an amazing level to enter. That's the golden pocket retracement zone, and the support from this broken resistance. That's going to be around $143. However, I don't personally think it's going there. I think that because we've just broken out of this downsloping level of resistance, I think we are making our way back up, but pay attention to how the daily candles close, okay? So we're currently at a level of resistance right now, but we're also currently above this resistance right here based on the top of these two candle bodies. So far looks good. Just pay attention to how the daily candle closes. If it closes in its current state, it's still under a resistance, but it's promising, and then this level here will be the support, right? But what you don't want to see is a big sell-off before this candle closes and this end up being a wick and the candle body closing below here. That would be a sign that the bears still have a lot of strength here, right? But again, if the candle closes above here, that's a good sign, and then you can look to this level to be a support. And yeah, the next level that you'd want to look for a break would be right here, right here, top of these two candle bodies here, and this support range. And yeah, so my cue personally will be a daily candle close above this second level of resistance, which we're currently at. Daily candle close above here, and then I may look to enter a long position and then use this horizontal line as a backstop for my stop loss, and then I will target the upper range, right? So the first level again that I would personally target, if we're able to break and close the candle body above here, would be this previous high, and then after that again the 300, it's about $375 right here, the 50% retracement level to the upside. All right, that about wraps it up. Hopefully you found that helpful. If you did, smash the like button. If you want to be able to find the channel again in the future, click subscribe, click the bell, click on all. And if you want a place to trade Bitcoin Cash or any of the other coins I talk about, check out the links to the exchanges in the pinned comment and the description. All right, guys, take care. Have a good day. Bye.